Hi, I'm Lauren. Welcome back to my craft room. Today is a new release day for Whimsy Stamps. There are new products out today, some stamps and dies. I am really excited to share with you what I call my pocket change card, which has this cute little back pocket. I wanted it to look kind of like a back jeans pocket birthday card where it has a little pocket here where you can put a gift card or maybe some money. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video showcasing some of the new products released today. You can find links to all the new products down below in my description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Here are the two products I'm using from today's release, the Slimline Pocket Die and this Chevron background red rubber cling stamp. Here they are, all brand new. I am going to cut out a piece of navy paper and use some navy ink to ink up that Chevron background stamp. I'm going to place my paper onto the stamp and then use a scrap copy paper to help me press down and ink up my cardstock. I find this is probably the easiest way to use these large 6x6 stamps. So there is my background ready to go, and I'm going to repeat it, but this time I'm going to flip my paper horizontal and ink up my navy paper in this direction because I am going to be using that pocket die cut onto this paper. So I'd repeat the same process, and I'm going to go clean my stamp and wash my hands because I got blue ink everywhere. I'm using my pocket die on that horizontal stamped piece, and I'm going to run it through my die cut machine. Here you can see it all cut out, and I wanted to add this little stitching detail. It's very subtle on this dark paper, but I thought it would add a lot to the card receiver. I am going to fold on the pocket along those score lines so I can create the pocket on the front of my card. My ink is still a little bit wet, so I'm going to be cleaning up as I go. Now that I see how it looks onto the card, I'm going to get out my double-sided adhesive tape from scrapbook.com, and I'm going to apply it on all 4 of those tabs of the pocket. I'm going to peel off the release paper, and then I'm going to get my wet glue and add some wet glue. This is a trick I learned from Carrie Rhodes. She likes to put both sticky tape and wet glue to create 3D projects, and since I want this pocket to really hold on there, I thought I would try this out for myself, apply it to my card background, and then use a clear block to help me add some extra pressure to make sure this has a nice seal. Now that the pocket is attached, I'm going to add some splatter. I have my Prima metallic watercolors, and I am splattering on some blue paint as well as this Ink on 3 liquid Pixie dust. I am splattering them on with some paint brushes and just create a shimmer splattered background to my card. Now that that is done, I'm going to clean up my workstation again. I've cut out a card base out of some white cardstock and an A2 top folding card, and I'm using some wet glue to adhere this background piece to my card base. I'm going to use that clear block again for some added pressure and my bone folder to make sure that I have a nice crease on my card. I've die cut the word happy using my bold ABC dies out of some very shimmery rose gold paper from Cardstock Warehouse, and I have stamped birthday as well as may all your wishes come true in some VersaFine Twilight ink on white cardstock, but I end up just using my little birthday strip there from the Simple Sentiment stamp set by Whimsy. I've glued on happy using some purple tape to help make sure everything is staying straight, and I glued on the birthday strip as well. For my embellishments, I am using these clear gemstones from a Sparkletz mix that you can get from Whimsy, and just adding some of those gems around the card, and then I'm going to use my jewel picker and my wet glue to lift them up and glue them down onto the card. And that is my completed card. Once everything was dry, I grabbed a couple $5 bills to use to put in this card, and I folded them up into thirds and slid them into the pocket with it kind of peeking out. I really like how this card turned out. I think it's a cool card to give to someone you're going to be giving cash to, or maybe a gift card, and just a fun happy birthday card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you check out all of the brand new Whimsy Stamps products that are released today. You can find the links down below in my description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll click like and subscribe if you're new, and have a great day.